It's been a while since I did a long form video on these.
Drive. One side is on the clock.
Alright. That driver was very suggestive, like maybe actually no, I don't know why I said that. This driver was very polite and actually allowed me to cross, though I gestured for him to go.
Wait to cross.
These are the iN3s you all know well.
Median. Wait. Rancho Discoso.
30 seconds on the countdown. 26 now. Yeah, you know these very well because these have been featured in so many videos.
Wait.
Whoa.
Wait to cross Rancho Vistoso at Arrowsmith Drive. Wait.
It's accurate on this side, but on the other side, that also says Arrowsmith Drive, but in fact, it's not that street. Not even close. Bro really parked too close. Bro really stopped too close. You think that's dangerous? That's 10 seconds on the clock, and the other one says 16. Shorter countdown compared to the other one. That one does 16 seconds. That one over there does 12. Interesting. But yep, on to the last bit.
Wait. Cross Rancho Vistoso at Median. Wait to cross Arrowsmith Drive.
This pedestrian button in the middle is actually an iN3, just like the rest. It's just that the latest ones have iN3s buttons. It's just that's the last one of its kind to be installed, and those are an iN3 model. That's the last one in the OV area that got iN3s installed. Because afterwards, well, you pretty much know the details. I've already uploaded a video on them. But iN3s buttons are starting to slowly be put into service down here. That's it.